Hey guys, what's up? It's Ncuber. Today I'll be showing you and teaching you the notations of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So first off, let's see what these notations even mean. So F means the front face, B means the back face, R means the right face, L means the left face, U means the upper face, and D means the down face. So when you see a single letter without any apostrophes or numbers, it refers to a clockwise turn of 90 degrees. So for example, it's F, B, R, L, D, U. A letter followed by an apostrophe, which is also referred to as prime, generally means to turn that particular face 90 degrees counterclockwise. So F prime, L prime, R prime, U prime, D prime, and B prime. A letter followed by the number 2 marks a double turn. So R2, L2, U2, D2, F2, and B2. So now let's look at some scrambles. So just a general note on scrambling, always hold your cube white top and green front while you're scrambling. So let's start. U2, R, B2, L prime, D2, L, B2, R2, B2, D2, L2, F2, D, F, L, prime D, R, B2, F, L prime, U2. Let's look at one more scramble. F2, B prime, U prime, R2, B prime, U, R, F, D prime, U2, R2, D2, F2, D2, L prime, U2, L, F2, L, F2. If you keep on practicing these notations, you could do them way faster. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys all next time.